Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how you can have your Google Analytics inside your WordPress dashboard. Why is this useful? Well, I don't know about you, but do you want to log into Google Analytics every time you want to check out your stats? Well, it's not that much hassle, but I suspect that you spend a lot of your time in your day inside your website dashboard. So if you're inside your website dashboard anyway, why don't you check out your stats there rather than opening a new tab and logging into Google Analytics? Okay, so you don't get as much analytics as what you would if you do log into Google, but it's nice at a glance to look at. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you don't already have a Google Analytics account and get one, I'm just in the process of getting a Google Analytics account right now for one of my websites. So let me just do that. So once you've filled in the fields, then you just press this button here, Get Tracking ID. And then that will take you to another screen, and you've basically got your account set up and you've got your tracking ID. Okay, now the next thing you do is we're going to add a WordPress plugin. Let me just go ahead and accept Google Analytics Terms of Service. So you select your country. And you accept. And so now I'm in the page where I get my tracking ID. Okay, so you go into your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard for your website, and go to plugins and add new plugin. Okay. My computer is very slow and laggy today. So you want to search Google Analytics Dashboard for WP, WordPress, GADWP, okay? So search that and then you'll get the results, and you're looking for this one right here. This is what the icon looks like. You remember that. And this is the one you want to choose. Okay, so you go ahead and install now. And then go ahead and activate. Okay. So now you just need to click on Settings. So now you want to click on Authorize Plugin, this button right here. Okay, so now you're going to have to put in the code, but ironically, it's not the tracking ID that we just found that we created when we created a Google Analytics account. You don't actually need that for setting up this. Okay, you just get that when you set up your Google Analytics. Okay, so what you do is you're going to click on this here to get your access code. But make sure that you're logged into the Google account that you've got your analytics registered with. Okay, so it's going to ask you to log in. So you just go ahead and log in. And then you're going to allow. Alright, so all that was for this. You need to get this code and you basically copy it and then you come back to your WordPress dashboard, and you're going to paste that access code into that field, and then you're going to save access code. And now the plugin authorization has succeeded, and we're all done. So what you'll find is if you go to your dashboard, we've now got Google Analytics in our dashboard. So if I scroll down, I'm going to see it down here, Google Analytics dashboard. Now because it's just set up, there's no data yet, so we're not going to see any data. Okay, but just to give you a walk around, you've got real time, you've got today, you've got yesterday, you've got the past 7 days, 14, 30, etc. You can look at the last year or the last 3 years. So you select what period of time you want to look at, and then you can then select if you want to look at sessions, users, organic page views, bounce rate. You've got all these options. Anything you want to look at, you just select it, and then basically your analytics appear in this area here. And also you've got the data in figures right here. So within a matter of hours or a day, this data will start feeding through, and you'll have it right there. So you don't have to go and log into a new tab and go into Google and then go to analytics. You can just have it right here in your dashboard, which is really useful. And that's how you get your Google Analytics into your WordPress dashboard.